everyone, today I'm gonna share with you guys how to use le nom propre in French. Salut mes amis, j'espère que vous allez très bien. Dans cette leçon, nous allons donc voir ensemble comment utiliser les noms propres. Mbote na bande kunestu buzakola nangai lelo na ko enseigner bino to ko coach bino ndenge ni to utiliser ba nom propre en français. Alors ndeno baka subuzami tuna bo tindela ngai yango na suka. Merci mingi. Video ezala fuma ya mulai te. Alors, guys, some of this, I do believe some of you, in case you have some knowledge, but, if you don't get it, I'm going to try my best as I can to help you guys. Mais je suis sûr que vous avez déjà attendu le nom propre en français. Donc, déjà. Alors, ce qui est vous allez moi problème vous comprendre tes problèmes exactement dans ça nous surtout na elebino donc yana biso awa. So look guys, before I can start talking to explain to you guys the nom propre, look, we need to understand the noun. Okay, when you understand the noun, because we have a different type of noun, but we need to know which one we're dealing with. Okay, so this is what I wrote like this for you guys in case you want to take some note. Le nom est un mot qui désigne une personne, un animal ou une chose. So we're gonna focus on right here. Une personne, un animal ou une chose. So here I link it, an animal. Okay, or I can say if I want again put in a plural form, I can say les animaux. Okay? Le nom est un mot qui désigne une personne, un animal ou une chose. Okay? One more time. Le nom est un mot qui désigne une personne, un animal ou une chose. Okay? So we're gonna focus on a person, the animal, or the things, or the object. Okay, so the person could be the name of that. Let's say, for example, I can say like Gillan is a person, Eric is a person, Kevin is a person. The animal, let's say a dog or a lion. Okay, the thing could be like your house. You know what I mean? So we come here. So we have. That's why I end up putting like this. Le nom propre et le nom commun. So when I'm reading, don't worry about the S. Don't worry about this. Don't worry about this, okay? You see, even this one, I don't even pronounce it when I'm reading. No, don't worry about this, okay? So, le nom propre et le nom commun, okay? In case, you struggle, like, if you have to read that S or not, don't worry about it. So we come here. So le nom propre. Okay. So when you hear about the nom propre, think about like Guylain is a nom propre. Eric, Abby, Savannah, Wendy, those one are the nom propre, because when you write them, the first letter must be capitalized. You have to capitalize the first letter, okay? So we come here. So that's why I end up putting like this, okay? In case you want to take some notes. So, for example, when we're talking about the nom propre, that's why I end up putting like this. Par exemple, Guylain, okay? Guylain is a nom propre because we don't have a lot of Guylain. For example, if I say animal, we have a lot of animal. If I say school, we have a lot of school. If I say, for example, things, we have a lot of things. Because those one are les noms communs. So this one, Guylain. Let's say, for example, you have a lot of dogs. If you say, in case you say dog, they will not understand you. But if you say Milou, yes, that dog gonna know that, oh, that's my name. Right? So, in case of nom propre, Guylain is a nom propre. Annie is a nom propre. Abby is a nom propre. Okay? Come here. Animaux. So, Coco is like the name of dog. Yegen is the name of dog. Milou is the name of dog. But in case if you say, dog, none of the dog gonna respond. But if you say, in case you say Milou, yes, the dog gonna come. That dog knows that, its name is Milou. Yegen, same thing. So kinde to obengi olobinde monde tiba no propre gileza no propre pour mutunyo stu komuneza gilente. Mais siko nde tipe na bamboa. Bamboa pe bazana ba kombola bangeza non propre. Siko sonde to lobi mboa koyoka te. To lobi chien koyoka te. Mais siko soko lobi milou akoya pour komuneza milou. We come here. So that's why I end up putting like this, okay? Some example here. So you see, David is a nom propre. This soldat is a nom commun. David regarde le soldat. So this one is the nom. This one is the nom. It's a nom propre. Okay? This one is the nom commun. Because there's a lot of soldats, but we don't know the name of them. Gulin va à Kinshasa. Gulin is the nom propre. Kinshasa is the nom propre. Okay? So, Gulin va à Luanda. Gulin is the nom propre. N stands for the nom propre. N and P is the nom propre. Luanda is the nom propre. Okay? Le président va en Belgique. Le président va en Belgique. In this case, we don't know if the president is a female or a male, and then we don't know the name of it. So, in this case, the president is a noun, is the nom commun, because we don't know, because there's a lot of president. Belgium, this one is the Belgium, la Belgique, is the nom propre. Okay, it's the nom propre. Le président va en France. So this one is the male president. Okay, if it was a female, we're gonna say la présidente va en Belgique. So in this case, le président va en Belgique. Okay? We come here. So, that's what I want to teach you guys today. The video is not that long, so I decided to give you something, not really, so not that much, but I'm gonna try my best as I can. So the video is, like I said, the video is not gonna be that long, okay? So I'm gonna cover a few stuff. After that, we're gonna be done, okay? So here the thing, la chose, okay? So language more is the thing. Stade de France is a thing. Clinton Library is a thing, okay? Language more is a thing. Stade de France, Clinton Library. Language more, Stade de France, Clinton Library. These one are the things. In French, we say choses. Okay? We come here. Yeah, so I'm going to stop here for today. I know the video is not that long, so thank you so much. You guys take care. Bye-bye.